So what is this, the first snowstorm of 2015?
First blizzard of 2015.
Yeah, it's gonna be a blizzard. What time is it now? 9:53 a.m. I'll have to take videos every couple of hours and see the difference. It does look pretty snowy. So we're back to the snowstorm of 2015. I think they're calling it the blizzard of 2014. Oh, sorry, 2015. My bad. I'm gonna have to edit all that. Okay, so we're driving along. We're out to get some pizza because that's what people do in snowstorms and blizzards. They go out and get pizza. So it's 4:10. The last video was taken after 9 this morning, so as you can see, the weather has gotten a little bit worse, so. So as you can see, all the other businesses are closed, but the pizza shop that we're going to is going to be open. And we're gonna get a huge party pizza. With what, 32 slices? I think so. I see the pizza shop, and of course it's the only thing lit up.
Oh, McDonald's is open.
Yeah, but McDonald's is really like a factory of people that like produce food, mass produce food constantly. I'm sure they'd go out and have no power and still be open. And here's the wonderful pizza shop. Yay! So we're having that deal right there. Yay! So we have the extra large pizza on board, and as you can see, it's rather big. I'll show you when we get home. So it is now 7:51, and I'm just going to take a spin for a coffee. This is what the side of my house looks like. So it's 8:15, and as you can see now, the rain has started, so hopefully some of this snow that seems to be everywhere will get washed away.